other dignitaries. It's the most awaited moment. We are waiting. A big round of applause to welcome our Secretary, sir. So we welcome you with a whole heart. A dynamic personality, a role model for many, a motivator, a mentor, a guide, a friend, a philosopher, and whatnot. There are so many words to describe a single personality. We are proud to have a leader like you, sir. We are proud to work under your mentorship. It's been a great honor to be a student, to be a teacher, to be a principal under your guidance. Sir has always motivated millions of people. He's working for our benefit. We welcome you, sir. He's a mentor, he's a guide, he's a philosopher, he's a friend, he's a role model for many. And here he is among with us today. So students, cheer up, wave your hands up. Thank you so much for this precious time you have given. I welcome you, sir, on the dais. Please be seated, students. I feel the same energy of the morning is back on your faces. You were quite dull, waiting for sir. So now it's time for your
LC Jani Mian sir, principals, all the familiar faces, Memona, Rafia, Madam, vigilance officers, all the teachers, all the principals. I can see brighter faces of my principals. And my dear students, you are the stars. You are the real heroes. I am not the hero of the TMREIS. My students, my principals, my teachers, you are the heroes of TMREIS. I think this Bahadurpura girls one, long back I visited, and maybe after many years I am coming again to this campus, and the trees are very small. When it was only a sapling when I visited, it was only this much height. Now all the trees has grown up, and it is amazing growth. Similarly, TMREIS also in 2014, it is a seed. It was planted. It was a dream of our Chief Minister KCR sir, and today TMREIS has grown into a big tree. Today 204 schools with lakhs of students are benefiting in TMREIS family, TMREIS tree, and this also started yielding the fruits. Many of our students, they are passing out from our college, schools and colleges. They are getting into IIT, in medical colleges, engineering colleges, agricultural colleges. So I am very lucky. I am a fortunate secretary to see the different faces of TMREIS from the starting, sowing of the seeds se rakhe, the fruiting level dekhna. It is I am lucky. It is a great opportunity given by our Chief Minister, Honorable KCR sir. And I am not a hero. Okay, thank you. And recently I have visited USA, America, United States of America. There is a change of time zone. If it is now it is midnight. What is the time now? I think it is early morning there. What is the timing in US? 4 o'clock in the morning. So while coming to this campus also, I was sleeping in the car. Then here also I got sleep. But by seeing your faces, by seeing your performance, it is really wakened up. I was awakened, and it is a wonderful performance by our students. And the concept you have taught on is very relevant. Somebody spoke about the positive thinking. Somebody spoke about usage of mobile phones, The topic you have chosen is very, very relevant, and I really congratulate. And मैं हर मीटिंग में यही बताता हूँ, somebody talking about the how to overcome the failure. I also congratulate all the winners, as well as I congratulate all the participants also. So winning and losing is a part of the game. एक प्रेसिडेंट था, अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट, उनका नाम जॉर्ज बुश. Have you heard of his name?
Yes.
He was an ex-president. One day he has visited he was invited as a guest, chief guest in university for convocation program, and in the inaugural speech he congratulated all the degree successful completion of degree. He congratulated all the students. At the same time, he congratulated all the failed students also. Then he told that the failed students have the more chances of getting into a president of America, elected as a president of America. That means George Bush also a failed candidate. So failure is an integral part of the failure in our life. Okay, when I got into IFS, I wrote several times. In my third attempt, I cleared the IFS. So failure is an integral part, and many students are disheartened by seeing the failure. That thing I want to see that all our students are having a positive thinking. They have to overcome the failure. Okay. हमारे लाइफ में है ना, नथिंग एवरीथिंग शुड नॉट बी एनी गुड थिंग. समटाइम्स यू हैव टू फेस difficulties and failure. Okay, and you should not be saddened or disheartened by seeing the failure. That is the most important point I want to emphasize. And Spark Festival, this kind of program has to be conducted frequently, because in future we have to compete with the not humans. Our students has to compete with the robots. So artificial intelligence, all these things will come up. Many the jobs, maybe I think the teachers may lose the job also in future. Is it true?
No.
Some robots will come and it will teach. Drivers, they are going to lose the job. Driverless car, I don't know. In future, many the repetitive jobs will vanish. That will be done by the machines. So we have to make our student we have to give the education, futuristic education, to face those challenges. So what are the qualities? What are the things we have to be taught? What is the different? Humans are different from the robots. How humans are different from the robots? Emotional thinking. Yes. Creativity, imagination. बच्चों को सिखाना है. If you cooperate with me, we can change our curriculum a little bit. If you cooperate with principals and our staff, we can change, we can prepare our students for the future. Our education system is going to be outdated, but nobody is bothered. Unless we face the problem, then only we will realize it is going to happen. There will be a lot of innovations, integration of artificial intelligence with the biotechnology. Our humans will be part of our body, will be having the machines. Some of the brains will, part of the brain will be having the sensors. Nobody will go for any kind of pregnancy. They will outsource it. Okay, that kind of innovation. It is already in the research stage. It's another 5-10 years. We are going to see lot of changes. So we have to make our student futuristic education से future ready करना है. So this kind of program, leadership qualities, promoting the creativity, imagination, these are the very important. Somebody spoke about the mind. That is also very important, because our future depends on how we think, how we act, how we study. Our body is made up of what? Anybody can tell? What are the components of the human being? 5 elements. Simple ga? Cells. Okay, good. Tissues. Bones. Very good. We human beings made up of 3 things. One is the body and the soul. Another important component is mind. Many of us, we are studying about the body. In biology, we have seen what is the nervous system, what is the respiratory system, circulatory system. We have studied, most of us know about the body. Soul ke bare mein, have you know? Anybody knows about the soul? Where it comes, where it goes? Any journal, any book, anything, anywhere it is written? Nobody knows. मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है, किसी को नहीं मालूम है. Only God knows. But another important component which is making us successful is our mind. ठीक है? Whether in studies, whether in our professional life, whether in our personal life, knowing about mind is very, very important. Now you tell me, in which book they are teaching the students about the mind? Mind. मैं भी पढ़ा हूँ, आप भी पढ़े हैं. I have done my graduation, masters, schools. No books have taught about the mind. But that is a very important thing for our success. ये है ना हमारे schools में from nursery stage से intermediate तक we have to teach them. Positive thinking, positive thinking. Positive thinking is very much needed. We have 2 types of mind. One is a conscious mind, subconscious mind. Most of our decision is taken by the subconscious mind within a fraction of second. Conscious mind भी decision लेते हैं, but subconscious mind is very powerful. It is like a autopilot. Sometimes even I talk in a phone, I will drive the car. How it is possible? Because over a period of time, because of the repetition, because of the practice, that is already recorded in my subconscious mind. Cricket में तेंदुलकर आके practice करता है. Okay, next में before going to the international match, he do this practicing. Why he is doing? Because of repetition, it goes into his subconscious mind. When the actual match comes, he plays very well. Similarly, when you are studying Magapan, studying for the actual exam comes, so from subconscious mind you recollect all the things you are writing. So knowing about, understanding about our mind is very much needed. Not only in the school life, even after graduation, when you are working in some organization, you should know about our mind. Without knowing the mind, no education is a complete education. That's why Albert Einstein, he told that the best education is the training of the mind. है ना? The subconscious mind में जो हम some चीज, it cannot have a differentiation. You cannot understand whether it is you are putting a good thing or bad thing. If you put a good thing, you will become a good person. If you put a negative thing, you will become a negative person. So that is the power of the subconscious mind. So this has to be taught. Please note down. At least basic thing it can be done. ये तो rocket science तो नहीं है. There are certain books are available. Mind के बारे में especially in Rajasthan, Kota, it is a big news. Students are going for IIT preparation because of they stressed up. Some of the students, they are going for the extreme end. Why? Because our schools, our teachers, we don't teach about the importance of mind, understanding of the mind. In front of the mirror, you say that I want to become a IAS officer. One day you will become a IAS officer. I am challenging you. That is the power of the
education.
Our mind. If you have a burning desire, if you have a confidence, if you have a hard work, whatever dream that can be realized one day. Just you say that I want to become an IITian. Your subconscious mind automatically it will take care. Aapka subconscious mind automatically put you into the process. You will start studying, you will start putting hard work, but only say that with full interest, with full commitment. You say yourself that I want to become an IITian, I want to become a scientist or a doctor. Okay? So that is the power of the subconscious mind. I hope that your dream is our dream. All my principals and the officers, they are putting lot of hard work to fulfill your dream. Okay? Only thing is you have to put an effort. All success man has a dream or a goal. Without this goal and dream, nobody should be there. All our students should have some dream. Yes, मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर होना चाहता हूँ. This is the dream you have to, in the beginning, when you are in 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, you should have a strong foundation for your dream. Okay? Because this project, this program, this TMREIS we have started for the purpose. The purpose is to fulfill your dream. हम लोगों को बहुत खुश होता है when we are very much satisfied our students getting into IIT, NEET clear करके medical college में जाते हैं. Recently myself and my wife visited the America, Auburn University. We have visited. When we landed in the airport, small girl, she was this much height only. She drove a big car. She was the graduate from the Forest College Muluk, जो मैडम के कॉलेज से she graduated. She has gone to Auburn University. She has completed the masters in Auburn University. She got a very good job, and she came to airport to receive us from 100 kilometers alone. कार से देखे तो कार इतना बड़ा है, उसको ड्राइवर सीट में it is difficult to find her. You see the confidence. You see the we felt very happy. अपना students अगर हम Auburn University, she is getting lot of she started earning lot of dollars. So next time when I visiting the America, our students should come. TMREIS students should come to airport. You have to pick up them. Sky is the limit. So many opportunities there. We have visited 2-3 universities. Mahana, they don't see anything else. The life skill is very much important. Along with your subject skills, your leadership qualities, how confident you are, communication skills, your creativity, imagination, and the extracurricular activity, what you are doing now, elocution, essay writing. Some boy came and he played the guitar. They give lot of importance. Same importance as other science, other subject activities are very much important. If you have a dream to go to foreign countries, extracurricular activities also very, very important. I request all my staff, all my teachers and principals, make it as you give equal importance for extracurricular activities. This is going to help our students. Science, maths तो पढ़ना है, but उसके साथ साथ ये communication skills भी ज़्यादा focus करना है. It will be helpful in all the profession. Whether you become a doctor you become the bank manager, you become an IAS officer, the communication skills, leadership skills, it is going to be useful in all the profession. Even as a principal, even as a teachers, these skills are going to be met. बच्चों को मारना, तोड़ना, गाली गलौज करना, this is not a TMREIS. This TMREIS का dream अलग है. We should be in a international standards में रहना. Many university I have studied. Even a president of Auburn University he is so big officer. He is the topmost the officer in the Auburn University. He looks so simple. He treats us their colleagues very nicely. है ना? हम कितना झुकते हैं उतना ऊपर जा सकते हैं. This has to be taught. अगर ये हमारे बच्चों को सिखाए, then when they pass out, they will have this character, the habits in their life. So they will be successful. They will get a good name. It's not only a knowledge. That's why in TMREIS, knowledge, skills, as well as the values. Values are very, very important. That has to be taught in our schools. The principals must note down. Values are most important. In America, I have seen the even drivers are like, if you go, they are very polite. They are very punctual. I learned in the initial year, 1 or 2 years, they give lot of bonding with the university. They will bleed for the Auburn University. They call us Auburn Tigers. Similarly, we have to have that kind of bondage, affection towards the TMREIS. Each and every teacher, each and every student, they have to respect, they have to work for the TMREIS. Many of the alumni who have cleared the degree, master degree, they are working, they are contributing lot of money for the development of university. Their budget is $1.4 billion. Some of the childless parents हैं, उनका पूरा प्रॉपर्टी यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए they donated. That is a bondage with the university. My son, he wore the Auburn University T-shirt. He visited Niagara Falls. Then some lady, war eagle, she is greeting the my son because she thought that he is from the student from the Auburn University. War eagle बोलते उनका एक ये है greeting. So they have that kind of bondage, respect. Even in the airport, many people they came and wished us. So that kind of bondage with the TMREIS, that kind of culture, we have to develop in TMREIS. TMREIS has to grow as a very good family. We should call as a TMREISian. अपने बच्चे IITian बच्चे डॉक्टर्स पढ़ने के बाद you have to come back to TMREIS. You have to contribute directly or indirectly. I have seen many students, they got IIT but they don't have money to get a train ticket to reach the Guwahati. One boy got IIT Guwahati, he could not have money to go there. अगर हमारे बच्चे IIT बन के डॉक्टर बन के, if you contribute some money, that money can be used to these kind of poor students. Government will support only up to intermediate. अभी तो numbers कम है. Our principals, they have promised, you have promised that this year hundreds of IIT, hundreds of doctors. I expect that from this center of excellence, I want many students going to NEET and IIT, not only the doctors and engineers, lot of scope is there. Don't focus only on doctors and engineers. You have many more fields. Foreign country में, foreign university में, lot of flexibility is there. Many futuristic stem cell में है, microbiology, biotechnology, many other fields are there. You have to expose to our students. Many of our students, they don't know except doctors and engineers. है ना? Even when I was a student, Only two option was there, doctor or engineer. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं था. Everybody cannot become a IITian, everybody cannot become a doctor. So many options are available. First the principals level teachers, you have to understand and you have to give the counseling to the students, because every student is a different. Somebody they will excel as a doctor by nature, somebody will excel as an engineer, somebody excel as a scientist. Some of the students today they have a very good orating skills, they can become a good lawyers. ठीक है, we have to diversify. ये हमारे बच्चों को पहले से सिखाना. Even you have to start from 8th grade itself. उनको बोलना है based on that you classify. These are the options available. You are good at this. Give them some 4-5 options. Let them prepare for since beginning itself. They can have a dream. Yes, I want to become a microbiology scientist. I can become a NASA scientist. Aerospace में भी scientist कर सकते. Many more options are available. इसलिए our principals and teachers, you have to widen up your mindset. You don't think that you are a teacher of Telangana state. You have to see in a global standard में आप compare करना है. आजकल information is available in the internet. Just you browse it, you update your knowledge. ठीक है, that can be given to the students. That's why in every meeting I used to tell TMREIS should be like a international schools, international standards में रहेगा. I hope that by God's grace, inshallah, I will make TMREIS as a international standard schools. Our students, I am very much confident that all over the world, वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया रहने दो, अमेरिका रहने दो, इंग्लैंड रहने दो, every country our students are going to study and they are going to become IITians, doctors, scientists and the lawyers. More options are available. I wish that as a secretary, this TMREIS family will grow as a big tree and we are going to bring the lot of fruits which will be helpful for our state and our country. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. God bless.
I once again thank Secretary Sir, and inshallah we principals, teachers will fulfill your aspirations, sir, and you can find our students also in America, US, UK, Australia. When you visit there, inshallah they will come in groups to see you, sir, there, and welcome you, sir. Moving forward, in total 7 competitions were conducted in different categories: elocution Urdu, elocution English, elocution Telugu, debate, singing, spell bee, art, quiz, essay writing. The competition was very intense. 700 students participated. Now I am going to announce the names of the first place winners only, and these first place winners are going to participate in state level Sparkfest competition. Now I request Secretary Sir to kindly present the certificates to first prize winners. Please, sir. Students has to come fast. Urdu Elocution Junior, Zishan Ali, Bahadurpura Boys 1. Elocution Urdu Sub Junior, Syed Ahmed, Bahadurpura Boys 1. Elocution English Senior, Mohammad Fahad, Barkas Boys 1. Elocution English Junior, Wajia Tabassum, Charminar Girls 1. Elocution English Sub Junior, Aisha Fatima, Charminar Girls 1. Elocution Telugu Senior, Vigneshwar Reddy, Barkas Boys 1. Elocution Telugu Junior, M. Rutu, Charminar Girls 1. Elocution Telugu Sub Junior, Mercy, Bahadurpura Girls 1. Children, give applause to them, children. These are the winners. These are the best of best students of TMREIS, children. You need to appreciate them. Rutu. Vajia tabassum. Debate Senior, Nishat Fatima, Bahadurpura Girls 1. Debate Junior, Zakaria Nizam, Charminar Boys 2. Sub Junior, Ananya, Golconda Girls 2. Nishat Fatima, Bahadurpura Girls 1, Zakaria Nizam, Charminar Boys 2, Ananya, Golconda Girls 2.
Come fast.
Ananya, Golconda Girls 2. Singing Senior, first prize goes to Mohammad Muzammil, Bahadurpura Boys 1. Junior goes to Samira Begum, Charminar Girls 1. Sub Junior Singing B Ganesh, Charminar Boys 1. B Ganesh, Charminar Boys 1. Spell B Senior, Mohammad Yahya, Barkas Boys 1. Spell B Junior, Anuj Sultana, Chandranguta Girls 1. Sub Junior, Sayyida Tehseen Begum, Charminar Girls 1. Spell B Mohammad Yahya, Barkas Boys 1 Senior. Junior, Anuj Sultana, Chandranguta Girls 1. Sub Junior, Sayyida Tehseen Begum, Charminar Girls 1.
What happened?
Claps, children.
सबको मिल जाते बाद में सर्टिफिकेट सब तो बजाओ.
In arts, the first prize in seniors, the first prize goes to Muhammad Anas, Yakutpura Girls 1. Boys 1, Yakutpura Boys 1, Muhammad Anas, Yakutpura Boys 1. In juniors, the first prize goes to Sufyan Khan, Bahadurpura Boys 1. In sub-junior, the first prize goes to Muhammad Umar, Yakutpura Boys 1. In quiz senior, the first prize goes to Golconda Girls 1, Shamim and Abia. If the students are not there, the principal can come up and collect the prize.
Come on, Shamim.
In juniors, the second prize goes to Trina and Abdul Rahman, Asif Nagar Boys 1. Trina and Abdul Rahman, Asif Nagar Boys 1. In sub-junior, if students are not available for quiz, the principal can come up and collect the certificates. In sub-junior quiz, the first prize goes to Sheikh Ruman and Muhammad Raza, Yakutpura Boys 1. Asif Nagar Boys. सब जूनियर में है सर, वेट करो. स्वामी सर, what the lack of touch. Essay writing seniors. Yakutpura Boys 1, stand along with Swami sir. Sheikh Ruman and Muhammad Raza. Madam. Yes sir. Essay writing seniors, the first prize goes to Sara Fatima Yakutpura Girls 1. In essay writing juniors, the first prize goes to Conan Fatima Bahadurpura Girls 1. In sub junior, the first prize goes to Jweria Begum Charminar Girls 1. Senior Sara Fatima Yakutpura Girls 1, juniors Conan Fatima Bahadurpura Girls 1. And in sub junior, Jweria Begum Charminar Girls 1. Prize goes to Sania Golconda Girls 2. In senior, Sania Golconda Girls 2. In essay writing Urdu junior, Amreen Begum Golconda Girls 2. In sub junior, essay writing Urdu sub junior, the first prize goes to Rafia Tehseen Charminar Girls 2. Essay writing Telugu senior, the first prize goes to G Mahesh Babu Bahadurpura Boys 2. In juniors, the first prize goes to M Nishita Charminar Girls 1. In sub junior, K Ganesh Chandrankuta Boys 1. Essay writing Telugu senior Mahesh Babu Bahadurpura Boys 2. Essay writing Telugu juniors sub junior K Ganesh Chandrankuta Boys 1. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Academic head, RLC Sir Janimia Sir, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
A very pleasant evening to everyone.
A very pleasant evening, ma'am.
So I think, and a big congratulations to all the participants and the winners. Give a round of applause for yourselves. I know it was a hectic day, children, from 8:30 you are here till now with the same energy and enthusiasm. Thanks a lot. And you have traveled, some of you have traveled a long distance to reach here, and then you have sat patiently. Thank you very much. And this program would not have been possible as it is a district level competition. And I thank Janimia sir for selecting this campus as the venue for the district level. We got the opportunity, and always we had the dream that Secretary sir should visit our campus. Whenever I used to see the pics of Secretary sir visiting different schools, I used to always regret as sir did not come and visit, though we invited many times. So Alhamdulillah, today it was a red carpet day for us, red letter day for us. I sincerely, wholeheartedly thank our Honorable Secretary sir, academic team members, Bilawar sir, my principals, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff, my students, everyone who made it possible. And I thank our RLC Janimia sir, who involved all the principals at this level. And I thank Vani madam, yesterday she has conducted the quiz at KBC level. That was really great for us. It was very different. And my co-principals, to name a few, we had Rafia ma'am, Maimuna ma'am, and Jawaz sir, Taha sir, everyone became like they all came together to make this program a success. Though we are the host, it was like they just lended their hands and they built a team for us to conduct this program. Otherwise it would not have been possible. I thank everyone. Thank you so much. So it was really, and all the principals were involved. So I felt really happy. It is a really pleasant opportunity for all of us and for my students to organize and listen to such dignitaries on the days. So, and to listen to the students also. Alhamdulillah. So I also thank the non-teaching staff who work day in and day out, because See, every bit is very, very important, and they've all played the role very well. I thank my art teacher, Udashri, and her team, and all the co-curricular activity in charges, the staff of Bahadurpur Girls 1, the staff of Golconda Girls 2, and the principal Aisha Madam, my co-principal, co-host of this event, to make this program a success, and all the people involved here. I might have definitely missed a few of them who work behind the screens to make this day, and my volunteers, my leaders of Golconda Girls 2 as well as Bahadurpura Girls 1. Thank you, children. God bless you all. May all of you reach the height of success. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Selected second and third prizes. The names will be sent to the school and they will be given prizes on the occasion of Minority Welfare Day on November 11th. Second, third prizes also we have selected. Names will be given to the schools and certificates will also be sent. You will have that certificates and names at the school and you will be given on 11th November, children. Please be seated just for 5 more minutes. Let Secretary Sir leave the campus, then you can start moving out. Have some patience.
Request these principals: Bahadurpura Girls 1, Bahadurpura Girls 2, Golconda Girls 1, Golconda Girls 2, Asif Nagar Girls 1, Goshamahal Girls 1 and Hyderabad Girls 1. So the program is on 2nd of October. I request the principals to come with around 50 students, because as you know it's a birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So we at that place around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. we are starting a program called The Life of Gandhi in a Sand. A sand artist will be coming and he will be explaining the whole life of a Gandhi. So it is done by Sarvodaya Trust. So I request this principal, Bahadurpura Girls 1, Bahadur. Most of the students are from intermediate or 10th class. So please do not bring the smaller students. So Girls 1, Girls 2, Bahadurpura 1 and 2, Golconda Girls 1 and Girls 2. School and junior full presentation by him. So I request the principals to make the arrangement for this bill separately to academic section or send separately to us. We are doing it at girls school. We are planning to do at the boys school also. We will let you know. But on 2nd we have at the girls school, Rajinagar Girls. I thank each and everyone. The thing is that we are happy. Try to understand that in 2016 when we started, we were only the person who were doing each and every activity. So from planning, preparation, execution, maintenance and other. So we are happy that some principals
give the success. They have to have a empathy. They should have a communication skills. You have to respect others.
We can overcome the toughest hurdle. Moreover, positive thinking influences our mental and physical health. It influences our mental and physical health along with cardiovascular health, and it develops the immune system. During the COVID-19, entire world was suffering, but the scientists, after giving so many medicines, scientists said that we have to be positive. We should not be afraid of COVID-19. If we think in a positive way, that is the only medicine for this disease. Then the world began, then the society began to think in a positive way. Then the disease has been eradicated. This is the best example we can take in our life. In every circumstances, we have to think in a positive way. The positive thinking not only influences the life of an individual one, it influences the life of society, community, state, country and entire human welfare. One of the best example is in our Telangana state. Our Honorable Kalvakondla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu has initiated minority schools with a positive thought. With this initiation, most of the people are getting free education. Our students, Telangana students are participating in national competitive examinations and they are getting good results. One of the best example is TMREIS COE. Many of the students got seats, poor students got seats in medical colleges and IITs. This is the positive thought of our Kalvakondla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu sir. Sir, TMREIS is one of the best platforms to show our potential, to show our multi-talents. Sir, before coming here, we don't know how to show our potentials. We may be multi-talented, but we did not find any platform to show our skills. After taking admission, competitions and showing their potential. So we have to think in a positive way. But the question is, how one can cultivate the positive thought? The answer is simple. By consciously converting his mind, training his mind to think in a positive way. We have to think in a positive way. We have to replace every negative thought with a positive alternative. We have to think in a positive way. We have to eradicate the negative thoughts in our mind. But friends, we should adopt the gratitude and thankful what we have in our life. It helps us a lot to practice the positive outcome. When we enjoy, when we thankful, when we appreciate the small joys in our lives, that helps a lot to see the world in a positive light. That's why we have to adopt the positive thought. My dear friends, there are so many life examples. One of them I would like to share. Nick Vujicic. He was the person who born without hands, without limbs and legs. But he is the representative. He is the one of the most prestigious personalities in our world. He have no legs and no arms and no legs, sir. But he is one of the most prestigious personality in the world. He has so many victories in his life. Recently he has visited India and Andhra Pradesh also. So we have to think in a positive way. We have studied a lot about positive way. So many scientists, for example, Thomas Alva Edison, in his life experiment, he found so many difficulties. He found so many failures. Once his entire laboratory was burnt into ashes. Then Thomas Alva Edison didn't get nervous. Simply he said that, so we have to think in a positive thought. Sir, I never thought that I will share few my words in front of these legends of society, lights of community and bridges of our success. I am very much thankful towards everyone, sir, who has given this such a nice opportunity to me. The time is not enough to speak about positive thoughts, but time will not give the permission to speak. So with these words I conclude my speech, and once again I am very thankful towards all the dignitaries who have given this such a nice opportunity to me. Thank you.
Amazing. I really don't have words to appreciate how you have expressed beautifully and wonderfully your thoughts here, very positive thoughts. Really amazed, wonderful kid. May in future you go ahead. Definitely you will do the best in the future. Keep it up. Doctor, definitely Dr. Fahad. We have such wonderful gems in the TMREIS. There are many, few are here right now. So I would like to invite now Adnan Tariq, Bahadurpura Boys 1.
رب العالمین والصلاة والسلام علی سید المرسلین اما بعد. تجھ سے کام دنیا کی امامت کا. حاضرین کرام، لوگ سمجھتے ہیں کہ تعلیم ہماری منزل ہوتی ہے، لیکن نہیں، اصل میں علم ہماری منزل ہوتی ہے. اور جب علم ہماری منزل ہوتی ہے تو تعلیم اس کا راستہ ہوتا ہے. جب علم ہماری منزل ہوتی ہے تو تعلیم اس کا راستہ ہوتا ہے. اور اگر راستے میں اندھیرا ہو تو بھٹکنے کا، ٹھوکر کھانے کا اور لٹ جانے کا خطرہ رہتا ہے. لیکن علم کی اس راہ میں جو ہمارے لیے چراغ بنتی ہے، جو ہماری ظلمتوں کو مٹا کر ہماری راہ میں آسانی پیدا کرتی ہے، اس کا نام تربیت ہے. حاضرین کرام، ایک حدیث شریف کا مفہوم ہے کہ علم حاصل کرو گود سے گور تک. علم ایک ایسا خزانہ ہے جس کو جتنا بانٹے اس میں اتنا اضافہ ہوتا ہے. علم ایک ایسی دولت ہے جو آپ سے کوئی نہیں چھین سکتا. علم ایک ایسی دولت ہے جو آپ سے کوئی نہیں چھین سکتا. اس بات سے آپ کو اندازہ ہو گیا ہوگا کہ علم کتنی بڑی دولت ہے. اب سوال یہ پیدا ہوتا ہے کہ علم کی اتنی بڑی دولت کو حاصل کیسے کریں؟ تو اس کے جواب میں عرض ہے کہ مٹا دو اپنی ہستی کو اگر کچھ مرتبہ چاہو. مٹا دو اپنی ہستی کو اگر کچھ مرتبہ چاہو کہ دانہ خاک میں مل کر گل و گلزار ہوتا ہے. اگر ہم واقعی میں تعلیم حاصل کرنا چاہتے ہیں تو ہمیں قربانیاں دینی ہی ہوگی. اپنی خواہشوں کو دبا کر مستقل مزاجی سے کام لینا ہوگا، کیونکہ قطرے قطرے سے دریا بنتا ہے اور علم کا ایک ایک قطرہ آپ کو آپ کی زندگی کے سفر میں کامیاب بنا سکتا ہے۔ آج مجھے یہ کہتے ہوئے بہت ہی افسوس ہو رہا ہے کہ آج کی زیادہ تر نوجوان قوم محض ڈگریاں حاصل کرنے کے لیے پڑھ رہی ہے، حالانکہ علم کا دریا بہت وسیع ہے۔ ایک شعر عرض کرنا چاہتا ہوں کہ حیرت ہے کہ تعلیم و ترقی میں ہے پیچھے، حیرت ہے کہ تعلیم و ترقی میں ہے پیچھے، اس قوم کا آغاز ہی اقرا سے ہوا تھا۔ حاضرین کرام، آج کے دور کی جو سب سے بڑی ضرورت ہے وہ یہ ہے کہ بچوں کو سمجھ کر پڑھنا چاہیے۔ آج زیادہ تر بچے رٹا مار مار کر امتحان کامیاب کر رہے ہیں، اگر ان سے 2 سال بعد پوچھا جائے تو انہیں پچھلا کچھ یاد نہیں رہتا، حالانکہ اگر کوئی سمجھ کر پڑھتا ہے تو 2 سال کیا 10 سال بعد بھی وہ نہیں بھولتا۔ ایک مثالی طالب علم کی یہ خوبی ہوتی ہے کہ وہ اپنے آس پاس کی چیزوں سے ہر وقت سیکھنے کی کوشش کرتا رہتا ہے، لہذا ہر طالب علم کو چاہیے کہ وہ اپنے اطراف و اکناف کی چیزوں سے سیکھے۔ مثلا آج بچے ویڈیو گیمز کے شوقین ہو گئے ہیں، لیکن وہ اس بات پر کیوں نہیں غور کرتے کہ اس میں استعمال ہونے والی زبان انگریزی ہے۔ اس کے باوجود بھی آج ہمارے بچے انگریزی میں کمزور ہیں۔ اب تو علم حاصل کرنے کے لیے ایک اور سہولت دستیاب ہے جو کہ ہے انٹرنیٹ۔ اس پر ہم اپنے تمام سوالات کے جواب حاصل کر سکتے ہیں۔ انٹرنیٹ پر وقت برباد کرنے کے بجائے ہم اس سے کئی معلومات فراہم کر سکتے ہیں۔ علم حاصل کرنے کے لیے ایک طالب علم کو اپنے اساتذہ کی عزت اور ان کا احترام کرنا بھی ضروری ہے، اور ایک طالب علم میں علم کی اتنی طلب اور علم کی اتنی پیاس ہونی چاہیے کہ اگر علم حاصل کرنے کے لیے اسے 7 سمندر پار بھی جانا پڑے تو وہ جانے کے لیے راضی ہو۔ اگر علم حاصل کرنے والوں کی ہم مثالیں لینا چاہیں تو ہمارے سامنے کئی مثالیں موجود ہیں۔ مثلا مولانا عبدالکلام آزاد کو دیکھو، علامہ اقبال کو دیکھو، ابن صفی کو دیکھو، رام انوجن کو دیکھو، آریہ بھٹا کو دیکھو، غرض ایسی ہزاروں مثالیں ہمارے سامنے موجود ہیں، لیکن اب ہمارا یہ کام ہے کہ ان سے متاثر ہو کر ہمیں معاشرے میں اپنی ایک پہچان بنانا ہے۔ انجام اس کے ہاتھ میں ہے آغاز کر کے دیکھ، انجام اس کے ہاتھ میں ہے آغاز کر کے دیکھ، بھیگے ہوئے پروں سے پرواز کر کے دیکھ۔ ہمارے رہنماؤں نے تو ہمارے لیے بہت کچھ کیا ہے، لیکن اب ہماری باری ہے کہ ہمیں اپنی اس امانت کو آگے اپنی قوم تک پہنچانا ہے۔ آخر میں چند ضروری ہدایت کے ساتھ میں اپنی بات کا اختتام کرنا چاہوں گا کہ لوگوں، اب بھی وقت ہے، اپنی ذہنیت کو بدلو اور تعلیم کی اہمیت کو سمجھو، اور تعلیم حاصل کرنے کے جو ذرائع ہیں ان کا بھرپور استعمال کرو۔ اللہ تعالیٰ سے دعا ہے کہ اللہ تعالیٰ ہم سب کو ایک اچھا طالب علم بننے، علم سے محبت کرنے اور علم کے جو ذرائع موجود ہیں ان کا بھرپور استعمال کرنے کی توفیق نصیب فرمائے، آمین ثم آمین۔ وہ خود ہی طے کرتے ہیں منزل آسمانوں کی، وہ خود ہی طے کرتے ہیں منزل آسمانوں کی، پرندوں کو نہیں دی جاتی تعلیم اڑانوں کی۔ وآخر دعوانا الحمدللہ رب العالمین۔
Credit goes to all the TMREIS. I'm really amazed today how they are groomed. These students are groomed in our institutions. Okay, these are teachers, our principal, playing the role of our mother as well as the parents, everything. And the children are really wonderfully coming out as a very good product over here. Really thanks to all of you and to our academic teams and the head office officials and one and all our secretaries, sir, for running such a wonderful institutions. The next I would like to call a speech in Telugu by Vigneshwar. We have many, but because time does not permit us, sir, so just we are listing out few. Vigneshwar to deliver a speech, and please make it a short so we don't have time.
గౌరవనీయులైన సెక్రటరీ సార్ గారికి, ప్రిన్సిపల్లకు మరియు నా ప్రియమైన స్నేహితులకు మరియు నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు ఈ వేదికపై ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ. ఈరోజు నేను చెప్పిన అంశం ఏమిటంటే విద్యార్థుల క్రమశిక్షణ మరియు మొబైల్ ఫోన్ల యొక్క ప్రభావం. అసలు క్రమశిక్షణ అంటే ఏమిటి? మన తల్లిదండ్రులు ఉపాధ్యాయులు మరియు ఎంతోమంది పెద్దలు మనకు నేర్పించే మంచి అలవాట్లు. కానీ నేడు ఈ యువతలో క్రమశిక్షణ కనబడడం లేదు. దీనికి ముఖ్య కారణం ఏమిటంటే మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్. నిరంతరం 24 గంటలు మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ని ఉపయోగిస్తున్నారు. కరోనా మహమ్మారి వల్ల మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువగా పెరిగిపోయాయి మరియు తల్లిదండ్రులు పిల్లల యొక్క మంచి కోసం మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ని ఇప్పించారు. కానీ అందులో కొంతమంది మాత్రం ఈ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ని మంచి దారిలో ఉపయోగించుకున్నారు, వారు ఈ స్థాయికి వెళ్ళారు. కానీ కొందరు మాత్రం చెడ్డ దారిలో ఉపయోగించుకున్నారు, వాళ్ళు మాత్రం ఈ స్థాయిలోనే ఉండిపోయారు. వీళ్ళిద్దరికి మధ్యలో తేడా ఏమిటంటే వాళ్ళు మంచి దారిలో ఉపయోగించుకున్నారు ఎందుకంటే వారికి క్రమశిక్షణ ఉంది. వీరు మంచి దారిలో ఉపయోగించుకోలేదు ఎందుకంటే ఫోన్స్ వల్ల ఎంతోమంది ప్రాణాలు పోతున్నాయి. వాళ్ళు మానసికంగా ఎన్నో వ్యాధులకు బాధపడుతున్నారు. మనం మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ని తగ్గించేద్దాం. మరియు పూర్వం చదువు నేర్చుకోవాలంటే గురువులకు సేవలు చేసుకుంటూ మరియు ఎన్నో పనులు వాళ్ళకి గౌరవం ఇచ్చుకుంటూ వారు చదువు నేర్చుకునేవారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు నమస్కరించడానికి కూడా ఇష్టపడడం లేదు. కొంతమంది విద్యార్థులు ఇలా ఉన్నారు, ఎప్పుడు ఈ ఉపాధ్యాయుని క్లాస్లో నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతే బాగుండో ఇలా అనుకుంటున్నారు. దీనికి కారణం క్రమశిక్షణ లేకపోవడం. క్రమశిక్షణ ఉన్నవానికి మాత్రం చదువు వస్తుంది అని కొంతమంది చెప్తారు. వస్తుంది, అందరికీ చదువు వస్తుంది చదివితే. కాకపోతే ఎవరైతే చదువును తన మేధస్సును మంచి దారిలో ఉపయోగిస్తాడో వారు మాత్రం ఎన్నో సాధించగలుగుతారు. ఎవరైతే ఉపయోగించలేరు, ఒక మేధావి అయినా అతనికి క్రమశిక్షణ లేదంటే అది చెత్తతో సమానమని నేను అనుకుంటున్నా. మరియు చివరిగా నేను చెప్పాలనుకున్నది ఏమిటంటే మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ని ఉపయోగించడం తగ్గించేద్దాం. మరియు ఎవరైతే మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉపయోగిస్తారో వారికి దూరంగా ఉండడం మంచిది. మరియు ఇవి మానవ సంబంధాలను చెడిపేస్తున్నాయి. తల్లిదండ్రులు పెద్దలు మనతో మనతో మాట్లాడాలని ఇష్టపడుతున్నా ఈ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ వల్ల 24 గంటలు ఇందులో ఉండడం వల్ల వారికి సమయం ఇవ్వడం లేదు. వారు ఎలా ఉన్నారో లేరో ఏది పట్టించుకోవడం లేదు. అంతెందుకు మన హాస్టల్లో ఉండే పిల్లలే అనుకుందాం, పేరెంట్స్ సండేనో ఎప్పుడో కలవడానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ తల్లిదండ్రులను కలిసినప్పుడు నాన్న ఫోన్ తెచ్చావా, అమ్మ ఫోన్ తెచ్చావా అనే ప్రశ్ననే తప్ప నాన్న బాగున్నావా, అమ్మ ఎలా ఉంది అనే ప్రశ్న మాత్రం రావడం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ మనకి ఒక వ్యసనంగా మారిపోయాయి. ఇవి ఎలా వ్యసనంగా ఉండి అందరినీ చెడిపేస్తున్నాయో ఈ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ దానికంటే మించి మన యువతను చెడిపేస్తుంది. అందుకు మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ ప్రపంచంలో పడకండి, మీ మంచి జీవితాలను కోల్పోకండి. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, మొబైల్ ఫోన్ ప్రపంచంలో పడకండి, మీ మంచి జీవితాలను కోల్పోకండి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
اب تمہارے حوالے وطن ساتھیوں، کر چلے ہم فدا جانو تن ساتھیوں، اب تمہارے حوالے وطن ساتھیوں. سانس تھمتی رہی، نبض جمتی رہی، پھر بھی بڑھتے قدم کو نہ رکنے دیا. کٹ گئے سر ہمارے تو کچھ غم نہیں، سر ہمالے کا ہم نے نہ جھکنے دیا. مرتے مرتے رہا باک پن ساتھیوں، اب تمہارے حوالے وطن ساتھیوں، کر چلے ہم فدا جانو تن ساتھیوں، اب تمہارے حوالے وطن ساتھیوں. Thank you. Damn, it's a really beautiful song for our India. تلواروں پہ سلوار دیے، انگاروں میں جسم جلایا ہے، تب جا کے کہیں ہم نے سر پہ یہ کیسری رنگ سجایا ہے. اے میری زمین افسوس نہیں جو تیرے لیے، سو درد سہی محفوظ رہے تیری آن صدا، چاہے جان میری رہے نہ رہے. اے میری زمین محبوب میری، میری نس نس میں تیرا عشق برفی کا نہ پڑے کبھی رنگ تیرا جسم سے نکل کے خون کا. تیری مٹی میں مل جاواں گل بن کے، میں کھل جاواں اتنی سی ہے دل کی آرزو. تیری ندیوں میں بہ جاواں، تیرے کھیتوں میں لہراواں اتنی سی ہے دل کی آرزو. سنسوں سے بھرے کلیان میرے، جہاں جھوم کے پنگڑا پا نہ سکا، آباد رہے وہ گاؤں میرا جہاں واپس لوٹ کے جا نہ سکا. تیری مٹی میں مل جاواں گل بن کے، میں کھل جاواں اتنی سی ہے دل کی آرزو. تیری ندیوں میں بہ جاواں، تیرے کھیتوں میں لہراواں اتنی سی ہے دل کی آرزو. ہیر میری تو ہنستی رہے، تیری آنکھ گھڑی بھر نم نہ ہو. میں مرتا تھا جس مکھڑے پہ کبھی اس کا اجالا کم نہ ہو. تیری
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Before this, I want to tell you all that the honeybee insects can have the positivity, but why can't humans? We are leading a life. Everyone are doing jobs. Take our TMREIS example also. Continuously our teachers, lecturers are doing night duties, day duties. They are very stressed. Even we are learning, we are writing, we are experiencing daily. So, in our mind there will be lots of stress. Do you know what is the medicine of stress? Positive thoughts. The positive thoughts are the medicine of success. So we can lead a successful life and happier life through positive thinking. I want to show gratitude towards everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Wonderful. Now you have changed the minds of many people over here. After going back to schools, I think most of you will go with a positive thought, isn't it? Yes. Yes, always start thinking positive, and if you are not, start it, because the way you think, that will get back to you, isn't it? Now, as she said, we are stressed out, so after this lot of stress throughout the day, let's have a relaxation by a patriotic song by Muzammil of Bahadurpura Boys 1, MPC first year student. I would like to invite him here.